How to fix eBay buyer opened case problem. To fix an eBay buyer's case problem, first of all, respond to the open dispute within 3 business days using the eBay's Resolution Center. So go ahead and launch the official eBay application. From there, head to the Navigation Center or simply tap on the search bar from any web browser of your choice. Then search for eBay Resolution Center. Once you find the official website, go ahead and tap on it. From here, log into your account. Now you simply have to upload the tracking details. Go to the open case file and then enter the tracking number as well as the carrier name. Check the delivery status. If the tracking shows delivered to the buyer's registered zip code, eBay will automatically close the case in your favor. Now you can offer a refund or replacement if the package is genuinely lost or stuck in transit without updates. Tap the refund the buyer to resolve the issue before eBay steps in. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, do comment down below.